So this is a tutorial on dividing a polynomial by a monomial by Kassy, Jose, and Chantal. So we have two problems that we are going to solve, and this is going to be our very first one. And the problem is 16x cubed minus 8x squared minus 12x over 4x. So our first step is going to be sectioning out each numbers or each problem by itself to make it easier. For example, our very first one is going to be 16x cubed over 4x. The second section, negative 8x squared over 4x. And the third section will be negative 12x over 4x. 16x cubed over 4x. So the way we do this
is 4 goes into 16 4 times, and x cubed minus x gives you x squared. In the second section, 4 goes into negative 8, negative 2 times, and x squared minus x gives you just x, which gives you negative 2x. And the last section is 4 goes into negative 12, negative 3 times, and the two x's cancel each other out, which leaves you with just negative 3. And that gives you an answer of 4x squared minus 2x minus 3. And you cannot simplify these, and that's why it is your answer, of course.
So now moving forward, our second example is 25x to the fourth minus 35x to the third minus 5x squared plus 30x minus 20 divided by negative 5x. So like our first example, we section out each number by negative 5x. So 25x to the fourth divided by negative 5x minus 35x to the third divided by negative 5x minus 5x squared divided by negative 5x plus 30x divided by negative 5x negative 20 divided by negative 5x.
So 25x to the fourth divided by negative 5x gives you negative 5x cubed. The next one is negative 5 goes into negative 35x cubed 7 times, and then x cubed minus x would give you x squared. And negative 5 divided by negative 5 gives you 1, and then x squared minus x just gives you x, so the answer would just be x. If you want to add the 1 in front, you may, but it's not required. Negative 5 divided into 30 gives you negative 6, and both x's cancel each other out, which gives you just negative 6 again. And negative 5 goes into negative 20, negative 4 times, and since the 20 does not have an x, the x has to stay on the bottom, which gives you a fraction of negative 4 over x as your last result. So your answer ends up becoming negative 5x to the cubed plus 7x squared plus x minus 6 minus 4 over x.
the end. Thank you.